Hello, this is My Sweet Mess, and welcome to my kitchen, where every week I make a mess trying new recipes in the pursuit of something sweet. This week, I am excited to try a new-to-me recipe for a fall snack mix from Katie over at Chronicles of Frivolity on Instagram, and I'll leave her Instagram handle in the show notes below. Today, we are making the easiest fall snack mix ever. No baking, no measuring, just tossing all the good stuff together in a bowl. Honestly, it's less of a recipe and more of guidelines to follow. Loose guidelines at that. Because there's no measuring with this recipe, our mise en place is going to look a little different. What I've done is gathered all of the ingredients so that they're close at hand. So I've got my Gardettos, Reese's Pieces, pretzel Goldfish, candy corn, and peanuts. And I'll leave the amounts that I use in the description down below. With all of my ingredients assembled, let's get to mixing. I have a large mixing bowl here, and I will literally just dump everything into the bowl. No stress about exact amounts. I'm gonna eyeball it and taste test it as I go and adjust based on what I think is best. So I've got my Gardettos, Reese's Pieces, pretzel Goldfish, candy corn, and peanuts in the bowl, and I'll give it a toss just to see what it looks like. I am gonna add a little bit more of the Reese's Pieces, candy corn, a little bit of the pretzel Goldfish and peanuts, and Gardettos. I'll toss it together again, and boom, just like that, I am done. Like I said, this is more about assembling the ingredients and combining them based on your preferences than an actual recipe. So for me, I like a good balance of sweet and salty. I've got a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty, crunchy, chocolatey. It is the perfect fall movie night snack mix or party mix, or honestly anytime mix. I like to leave this in a big canister on my countertop and let people just sort of snack on it as they go. Alright, time to taste test. And just like I expected, it is delicious. You have to make sure to add the candy corn. I know candy corn is controversial for Halloween candy, but it really does set this snack mix off. If you try this fall snack mix, let me know in the comments below what ingredient combo you used. I'd love to hear your twist on it. Thank you so much for being with me here today. And remember, trying new things is messy, but the end result can be pretty sweet. Have a great rest of your day. Bye now.